The memorandum will be submitted by Sri L. Guite, Gaubura, Songpijang. Before submission of the memorandum, I'll be reading the particulars of it. Memorandum submitted to the Honorable Chief Executive Member, North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council, Sri Debalal Gorlosa, on the occasion of inauguration of Auditorium at Songpijang on 5th January 2021 at Songpijang Village, Haflong, Dimahasao, by the Songpijang Village Committee, Songpijang, Haflong, Dimahasao, Sri Debalal Gorlosa, Honorable Chief Executive Member, North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council. Honorable Sir, I, on behalf of the Songpijang Village Committee, would like to take the privilege of this opportunity to convey our heartfelt greetings and our warm welcome to Your Honor for your kind presence as Chief Guest, along with other distinguished guests on this memorable occasion. Sir, it may kindly be noted that having an auditorium at Songpijang Village has been a long-pending demand and felt need of the people. We, the general public of Songpijang Village, are very much thankful to the concerned authorities for realizing our dreams into reality through the coveted scheme under MOS Clause 9, Additional Economic Package, Para 9.3, Special Economic, to undertake special projects as recommended and approved by the North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council for construction of auditorium at Songpijang. An auditorium with basic amenities will go a long way in providing the important means for community development and a platform for collective decision necessary for the community to move forward in the right direction in showcasing the rich cultural heritage, the customs and traditions of the Kukis, as well as recreation and learning center for the youths, and to prevent them from being lured away by antisocial elements. Sir, the people of Songpijang Village have been eagerly waiting for a check-in for early implementation of the scheme, which finally materialized through the goodwill and painstaking effort under your great leadership, which dented Sabke Saath, Sabke Viswas under your governance. We are truly happy and excited with the proud asset of the village. On this occasion, we extend our heartfelt gratitude, and we would like to thank you and your team for all the developmental works and schemes being granted to the village and to the people. Sir, on this auspicious occasion, dignified by your august presence, it is with profound joy and jubilation we would like to place before you certain points of utmost importance for your kind perusal and sympathetic action, keeping in mind your kind attitude and ever-increasing generosity towards the people of Songpijang. Number 1, management of the auditorium. It is the desire and will of the people of Songpijang as well as Songpijang Village Committee that the management of the auditorium be handed over and placed in the hands of Songpijang Village Committee for better utilization and upkeep of the auditorium. It is also desirable that the auditorium be named as Late Mullam Guite Memorial Auditorium as a tribute to the founder of the village and donor of most of the public places such as the Songpijang High School land, Family Subcenter, LP schools, Songpijang playground, etc. Number 2, infrastructures and amenities. Even though the building of the auditorium is completed, certain infrastructures and amenities such as full sets of furniture, permanent fixed chairs, sound systems, and high-capacity power generators, which are of prime importance, are yet to be installed. The Songpijang Village Committee humbly pray to your authority to kindly provide the same in the larger interest of the public. Number 3, the boundary protection wall. The Songpijang Village Committee, as well as the Songpijang High School Management Committee, strongly felt the need for construction of retaining wall in between the school complex and the auditorium for safety and protection of the school, as well as the auditorium in the long run. We humbly request your authority to kindly look into the matter and sanction a grant for the same. Further, it is a fact that the people of Songpijang have been facing many hardships due to lack of other infrastructures and amenities in the village, which requires immediate attention. We humbly pray to your authority to kindly sympathize and consider for the following: to provide safe drinking water supply system in the village, to provide proper drainage system of the village approach road and other nalas within the village as this becomes a threat during the monsoon season, to provide street lights in the village. With justice in mind and progress and development as the end goal, we anxiously look forward to the fulfillment of our humble request, which we place before you as genuine and peace-loving citizens, and allow us to reap a fruitful harvest of your good governance. Thanking you in anticipation. Yours sincerely, Langkai Guite, Gaubura, Songpijang Village, Hansangam Haulai, Secretary, Songpijang Village Committee. Thank you, sir. With the submission of the memorandum,